What's happening, y'all? We're still on section 3.3, logarithmic functions, and we're going to try a couple problems on the left-hand side of our notes. We'll do a couple homework sections on this. Give you that little fact while we're getting started here. So we're on page 308 in the book. We're going to start with number 5. Number 5 says evaluate without calculator. Evaluate without calculator. And I abbreviate appropriately there. So the problem is log base 5 of the third root of 25. And to do this, I would write this expression, the third root of 25, as 5 to some power to start, and then it will be easy. So try to dig out those exponent rules. I'll be back with you in a minute. Go ahead and pause. All right, we're back. Hopefully you've accomplished this. Let's see. The third root is over 3, and this is 5 to the second power. So 25 is 5 to the second power, and the root is the same as the denominator of your exponent. So this is 5 to the 2/3 power. So what this is really asking is log base 5 of 5 to the 2/3 power. Well, I know if the bases are the same, they just kind of cancel each other out, and this equals 2/3. So number 5 comes out to 2/3. Is the answer. Let's look at number 13. Same instructions, natural log e cubed. Natural log of e, which is Euler's number or Euler's number. I've heard it many different ways, and I was undecided on how to say it. Go ahead and try that out. All right, we're back. So natural log, and I'll write this out, I usually wouldn't, but natural log is log base e of e to the third. Well, these e's match, so they kind of cancel. I keep saying kind of cancel out because they don't really cancel out like how, when we're solving equations, how things will cancel out to get to 0 or 1 or whatever. But they undo each other. They're inverse operations. So that gives me just a 3. That was number 13. Let's look at one more together, number 35. Number 35. And number 35 is an equation to solve. 35 says solve the equation and it goes on to say by using exponential form, but there's no other way to do it, so solve the equation is efficient for me. So the log of x equals -1. I want to solve this, and the instructions are to say that I'm switching it to exponential form. So I would advise you to do that. Think about what the base is, and go ahead and try that out. I'll be back with you in a second. Alrighty, we're back. Let's see. So this is log base 10 of x equals -1. Well, remember this is the inverse of the exponent of the exponential function. So this is going to be 10, the base is 10, and switch these around. 10 to the -1 equals x. Well, now I know x is 10 to the -1 power. I usually wouldn't write that like that. I would write it as 1/10. Remember, a negative exponent puts the value in the denominator, so 1/10 equals x. There's number 35. Go ahead and do your 3 questions. Your assignment for this section, after you do your vocab and summary, it's 3 through 39, 3N.